Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Profitec Pro 500 with us in the shop. And pretty much I came in because there was cloggage in the group head. There was not water wanting to go through. When we opened it up, there was quite a lot of scale. During descaling, I assumed that scale got into the machine, clogged up the pipes that go to here, and so it wasn't allowing water to run. And so what we did is a complete overhaul where we took all the valves, replaced all the counterparts. As you can see, these are your older valves, even your lever to your machine. Replace all of these with brand new ones. Also, we replaced the gaskets that are in your lever, which is two of these guys right here. And we did replace the gasket on your front and your shower screen. And here's your original one, as you can see. Definitely needed cleaning. So what we did, took it apart, cleaned out the whole thing, scraped all the scale off your valves, also cleaned out the valve on the bottom, descaled your whole machine again, runs clean, and also backflush your machine. So yeah, now we are going to do a test shot using the portafilter that was given to us and test coffee. So we're going to put that there. If it runs a little too fast or a little too slow, don't worry. I didn't calibrate the grinder to this. We're just making sure water comes to the front. And just making sure we're getting pressure also. As you can see, if I move that, hitting that 9 bar to almost 10. And so we're looking good. We're going to let that pour. We also deep cleaned your steam wand. And we also deep clean your portafilter using our solution, our coffee detergent. And we're just going to turn that off for the sake of time, but as you can see, decent shot. Now we're going to test the steam wand by turning it on here. As you can see, running really, really well. And then lastly, we're going to test the hot water. And everything's working well and as intended. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.